अशोक जी, डॉक्टर नामवर सिंह, मेहता साहब, चकधर जी, पवन, अजय, डिस्ट्रिक्ट गेस्ट, लेडीज जेंटलमैन। कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में सबसे मांगे खैर, सबकी मांगे खैर, ना काऊ से दुश्मनी ना काऊ की मेहर। Just imagine if we all Indians were singing these lines this side, Pakistani other side, Sri Lankans, Chinese, Maldives, you go on, what world it would be. We might be tempted to sing Lord Louis Armstrong's famous line, what a wonderful world. But the world is not so wonderful. Realities on the ground are different. I think in today's realities, whether in India or outside, thoughts and ideas of Kabir, at least to me, are quite relevant. जहां पर डॉक्टर नामवर सिंह, अशोक वाजपेयी और चक्रधर जैसे धांसू, धाकड़, धुरंधर हिंदी के विद्वान बैठे हों, उनके सामने कबीर के कृतित्व के बारे में कुछ कहना बहुत बड़ी गुस्ताखी होगी। मैं कोई कोशिश नहीं कर रहा, आई लीव इट दैट टू देम। Kabir was a historical figure, but for me, in an intellectual level, Kabir is a metaphor. Kabir is somebody who is for peace and harmony. Na kahu se dushmani, na kahu se bair. Kabir is an enormously courageous person who has guts to call a spade without mincing words, plain speaking, direct, whether Hindu or Muslim. अरे इन दोनों राह न पाई, हिंदू अपनी करे बढ़ाई, गागर छू न दे, वैश्या के पावन तल हुए, ये देखो हिंदू आई। मुसलमान के पीर औलिया मुर्गा मुर्गी खाई, खाला केरी बेटी के आए घर में कर सखाई। अरे इन दोनों राह न पाए। But he could get away with this because when he criticized, he was not criticizing them for the sake of criticism. He was flagging so many things that wrong in society, wanted to them set them right. I had gone to Magha more than 25 years back. Little simple memorial. Upon one side you have memorial for Kabir maintained by Hindus, other side you have memorial maintained by Muslims. I don't know how many Indian leaders have been so adopted by the two communities. Two communities claiming patrimony on Kabir, when he did not spare either of them. He criticized them bitterly, but he criticized them with a purpose to set them right. But he can't be branded whether secular or non-secular or pseudo-secular or whatever. Because he meant and he said, God is not in mosque, God is not in temple, God is in Gurudwara, God is in the heart. So you can't be branded as secular or non-secular. And this kind of philosophy, I'm sure, is also reflected in Rabindranath Tagore's several poems. I am not sick, I have not read the whole Granth Sahib, but I am told that there is so many, I think several hundred times Kabir name figures in Guru Granth Sahib. Rumi philosophy also is some impact. What are other things? Kabir to me is somebody honest, incorruptible, self-serving, not serving anybody's, selflessness, integrity, honesty, all these qualities, virtues which are diminishing or disappearing from society. You need somebody else. He had no family, he has no dynasty, he was no party, nothing. He was not supporting anybody. He was just saying what he wanted. Then you come to a simple thing. He was a man, he was a poet or social reformer or activist, what you call of the common man. Mari khal ki swans se sar vasam ho jaye. He warned the anger, wrath of the common man can shake kingdoms, monarchies, parliaments. You don't ignore what we are seeing outside. It reflects the common man is agitating, his aspirations are not being fulfilled. At one time, once I thought, Anna Jai looks like Kabir. And I thought he is saying, इनको जेल में डाल दो, इनको फांसी लगा दो, ये शराब पीते इनको खंबे से बांध दो, इसको झापड़ मारो. And I thought he is not Kabir, he was somebody else. Kabir would have not said this. He wanted to set things right on one way. Great philosopher, I don't want to preempt whatever panelists are going to say, but just two thoughts. माटी कहे कुमार से कूका रूंदे मोर, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा. And this is something which has been attempted by so many persons, and this is also reflects Christianity from dust to dust. And after all, the sentiments are same, the words may be different. And last is चलती चाकी देख कर दिया कबीरा हो, शाश्वत, the wheel of time. You have काल का पहिया घूमे भैया, लाख चले दो लाख चले. Or you read Smritanand Pant, अहे निष्ठुर परिवर्तन द्वारा ही तांडव. You have all the concepts. So I leave it to my panelists to touch their thoughts, ideas, different aspects. And I'm sure you all will have very enriching, productive discussion. And now I hand over all the proceedings to the chairman for this evening, Dr. Ashok Bajpai. Thank you.